Munini wa Inspekta Munene wa Volisi DIG Eliud Lagat Niweeveta Wiani kwa Kavinda kana Kunenga Mwanya Muvia wa IPOA Kutwaiisya Ukunikili Kukon'ya cha Ojwang kwanzia Yina Withianu Nginya Muthya Lagat Ethiitwe Ungu Musukumo Munene Evetange Uvisini Kuma kwa ateti enende makundi makuletea akisya mwenende kwa bakubechu mwake ima yuminisa Muvia wa usese Kikw'U ni watangaza kana serikali ni kuikia kamera cia CCTV zesene ndesi ya Volisi siengili umwe maana ile na kenda ndinima Benjamin.
DIG Eliud Lagat nweza kwitikila Kwiveta Uvisini kwa Kavinda kana Kunenga mwana IPOA Kutwaiisya Nginya Muthya Ukunikili wayo Kukon'ya cha Ojwang ula kukwatwa kwake kwa umanwe na Lagat mwene kunenga na maunungu nisyo kiseseni kimwe cha Volisi vailovi aiteto Ojwang andikire ndeto sio vongo na kwelulu cha mutandao wake wamekumukanile keleloni cha kumwana ngesitwa wakana muvitu vanai na maandamano makita ikatetwa musi wailovi kusukumisya Lagat Evetange Uvisini wacha ulaingi wisukumiwe ne nguthu ya ateti silikalini na uleine omonde ulonai musilimuna wa makwani David Maraga miakoni ya Volisi ya Vigilance kusukumisya Lagat Evetange kuma Wiani kana Ukunikili na Withianu utwaiwe.
There is prima facie evidence that Mr. Eliud Lagat, directly or indirectly, by himself or through his accomplices, is implicated in the illegal arrest, torture, strangulation, and the eventual murder of Ojwang. Yet, he is still in the office. It is now a time to immediately arrest Mr. Lagat and have him prosecuted. Integrity demands that this cannot continue. This kind of impunity cannot continue in our country.
Na ute wa Lagat Kwiveta Wiani Maraga enda Inspekta General wa Volisi Douglas Kanja na Munene wa Isalu DCI Mohamed Amin wana wamatie wea na maiskatu wa kotini kwa kukenga na maite kithitu mpungeni chumani kivetu aiweta nthi ino ngina tongoi mebundesia kunena uwo.
To begin this resetting and rebuilding process, we demand the arrest of the DCI because he lied on oath under the IG, as well as Mr. Lagat himself, and they be prosecuted, and those, of course, who are associated with the murder of Ojwang. To be clear, we support the efforts of the other Kenyans who have already petitioned for private prosecution, and if no action is taken, we will join them and come up even with fresh charges against them, and we demand that this be done on or before the 25th of June this year.
Na kwa ngaliko yake Minister Muviani wa sisi wandini Kikw'U ni walumililia nongi na mwalu kumato yu Muviani wa Volisi na yu weta yu isesesyon desi ya Volisi ngilumwe mahaneli na kenda ni lazima sidwe na kamera cia CCTV. Mulkomen hainena na mama uvoke umonde nwende ya kulumililia nongi na Ukunikili Kukon'ya cha Ojwang utwaiwe kwanza na umelu aiweta DIG Lagat atona Kwiveta Wiani edho Ukunikili wa Muthya wa IPOA no mwekia katikati vyo wa kilingi sikino.
It shall be mandatory to equip police stations with CCTV surveillance to enhance transparency and accountability. All the police stations currently standing at 1,209 shall have CCTV surveillance within the next 2 years. We shall be making proposals to Parliament to enact laws that criminalize tampering with CCTV cameras. The surveillance system shall be in the custody of the officer commanding station, and the said officer shall be required to ensure that the system is always functioning, and instances of fault, it shall be reported within 1 hour through the established chain of command. The CCTV shall have an external backup system. DIG Lagat is a seasoned police officer who understands what it takes to carry out matters of investigations and where or whether or not his conduct or act or position can affect that investigations. And I think we will cross the bridge when we reach there. When there is closer relationship between the investigation that IPOA is doing and what he considers to be an interference, I think we will cross that bridge when we reach there. At the moment, let's leave the IPOA to do its part, but also the DIG himself to assess the extent of his involvement based on the investigations that are going.
Vilingwa mavo kuma va Musini lovi Benjamin Mwakam.